So in this video, I'll be talking about while loops in Python, and basically a while loop is just a certain thing that allows us to continuously execute a command as long as certain conditions are met. Hence the term while, right? So while something is valid, this will happen. So I'll make a very basic program here. So let's say we have a number, that number is 0, whoops, the number is 0, and I'll make my while loop here. So while this number is still smaller than 10, I will continuously add 1 to it, so num plus equals 1. Then I print the results. If I run this, right here, numbers being added by 1, 1, 2, 3, so on until 10. So the number here, number 0 here, is continuously added by 1 as long as it's still smaller than 10. So because if it's added here by 1 more, right, 10 plus 1 is 11, then this condition won't be met. And this is what is meant by while loop. Same thing, right? You can change this to 100, run it, and there, stops at 100 again. So that's a very simple program for just showing how the while loop works. And I have another fun one. So let's say you're working for the cops or something, and this is about illegal drinking, underage drinking, and you make a program, right? So we have an input here. So age equals input. So people are going to input their age. So input, please input your age here. And an input, I've discussed this in my previous videos. Basically, you decide, or you, when you run the program, you can input the age. So it's easier to change the age of the person. So we have our input here, and we make our while loop. But in this time, we have two conditions. So this is how it goes. While true, and make sure your true here is capital. While true, if the age is smaller than 18, then we print this. Print, you should not be drinking. But if the age is greater than 18, that's just else, right? Because anything greater than 18 is just above 18. So we write down our second condition, so else. So as long as the person's above 18, we print drink responsibly. So it means a person can drink, right? So if we run this, oh wait, one important step as well is here. You gotta write break. So that stops the program from continuously running. And I'll show you why that's very important. But if you run this here, so it tells us to input our age here. So let's say the person's 17. It says here, you should not be drinking. I can run it again. And let's say I'm, let's say I'm 32. Drink responsibly. So that's what the conditions are. Because if I'm below 18 here, it prints this, right? So that's our first condition. And I inputted my age here is 32, which is above 18. So it just says print drink responsibly. And this is why this is important. Let's say I remove this here. I run the program. Let's say I write down 17. There. It just continuously goes on and on and on and on and on. So the loop just keeps on executing the command for you. So it's very important for you to write down break here. Because if you do that, then, whoops, there, stops. All right, so that's basically it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can always ask me in the comment section below. Thank you.